Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes, you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is down in the description of that video, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So as you see, guys, here today we got here a red candle here, as you see it, that one here, and that what is indicating, it's indicating in that level where we are here. I tell you that before, that level here, there is a power pushing down here, but I got for you some good news here, because we're going to come to it, but now let's still analyzing here in technical analysis. The good news, guys, here, talk with me here. If you focus it with me down here at the volume down here, if you see that green one or the red one will happen today, the market is very flat. That means there is no power to pushing up or to push down. Also, we still in that level here, stuck. That means there is no power to push up or to push down. As you see, the time when the volume it spike, when is it the market falling down? But now there is no power. That means no one is buying, no one is selling now. Everyone is still waiting what the debt selling is going to come, what the USA, the agreement they are going to reach to. So till now there is nothing new here in the daily. We need to wait more till the right time. So us, we put in the plans and we still waiting what's going to happen. We buy from here 50%. Now the market is in the level where us we buy. And also we said we are going to buy 50% from our capital from down here when we're going to touch here the 200 moving average, guys. So we need to wait in, either we're going to touch it here or no. Then I'm going to come back to you every day, as we analyzing for you every day. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's going to see the coming news for today, for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, that the coming news for today, as you see it. We just got here the building permit and crude oil inventory. The building permit has got a little bit of impact. It's going to happen to the Bitcoin, but everyone till now it's still focused about the debt selling. Let me show it to you. We got here an article talking about that. Is it that one here? As you see it, the housing start. That's what me I told you, the housing is going to happen. Target earning, and the third thing that the key things for that week. The third thing is the debt selling, because there is as you see here, the lawmakers they met at the White House on Thursday, aim of sense urgency, because they want to accept that debt selling, because till now they're still fighting. As you see it, negotiation is still between them. So that one is the number one thing all the investors are still focused about. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And here is our friend, the table of us. As we're looking at it every day, as you see it. What it's telling us here, everything is red, everything is falling down. And down here, as you see it, the VIX, it's telling us scarcity is a little bit high. Because scarcity is a little bit high because of the debt selling. And maybe those lawmakers, they will not reach an agreement at this time. So that is going to take years economic in more unclarity. Let's make it like that. The pictures will not be more clear. So that's why you see scarcity a little bit going high today. As you see it, we are going to 18. And US dollar is still going up, as you see it, 102.4. That means the US dollar is still going up. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now it's going to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today into 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. What else we said in yesterday video and before yesterday, we said we got here a wage like that. That the wage as we talking about is getting broke here in that level here exactly. I told you if you enter put stop loss down here. That's what me I told you. And now we got here a new price action. It's not yet completed, but it's going to happen. As you see it here, the market he tried to give us here a head and shoulder, guys. Till now it's not yet. We need another candles to happen here to complete all that to us. The neckline for that one is going to be here as you see it like that. So even that one you need to be focused about it. As you see over here that the first shoulder, over here that the head, and over here that the second shoulder, and that one here is the neckline as you see it, guys. So you need to be focused about that one if it's going to get broke here in that level here. Everything is too clear, guys. So now what else we do? People they been with us, we enter long because of the break here of that wage here as we show you before. That one here, when it's getting broke here as you see it, now it's need to go up to break for us that last high here. And yesterday me I give you even the second scenario. What me I told you maybe from here is going to fall down to break lower here. If it's breaking lower here, that means also we're going to enter short. And I told you something else here. What me I told you we got down here a down channel like that as you see it. Now if that one go up and touch here, we will see what's going to happen. As you see it, everything is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we touched yesterday here. Now it's showing as if it's going to go back to touch that one here. But also we're still in a bear market. There is no bull market. That's why me I told you yesterday don't enter. And even today, don't try to enter always if that head and shoulder completed. I just show you now. So you need to wait till more. Where is the market is going to go? Till now we haven't entered here to a bull market. We're still in a bear market, guys. Look at it, very, 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 very clear. So we don't need to make the video too long. It's very simple and clear. Also we are here in a bear market, so we don't need to have nothing here. We need to wait in more till that indicator of us breaking here and enter here to a bull market, guys. Here that is going to change the market from the bear market to a bull market, but till now as we still in a bear market here. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here as you see it, we be in here at the oversold area. I show you we got here that wage like that is getting broke here. We told you to enter long and to put stop loss down here, and I told you even if that one fall down and breaking down here, you need to close the long and enter a short. So till now there is nothing was changed. You're still waiting. And I just show you we got here now. Near to give us here a head and shoulder here. Even that one you need to be focused about it. What the market is going to do. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, guys, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know the channel without you it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. It will not take you that much. Just smashing that like button. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. We said here in 30 minutes, we got here a double top here. The neckline is being here. In the last video, we told you need to enter short. It fell down till here, as you see it. Now here, we got a new price action. Look with me here. If you came like that, and you came down here like that, we got here a triangle, as you see it, very clear here in 30 minutes. So if that one breaking above here, you enter long, take profit. It needs to be just here. If that one fall down here and breaking down here, you enter short. Picture is very simple. We don't need to make the video too long. So if it's breaking down here, you enter short. If it's breaking above here, you enter long. Stop loss, you can put it for the long, you put it down here. For the short, you can put it here. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's telling us we are here down at the oversold area. So technically you need to look in for buy. For buy, it just show you the price action you got here is that triangle you got here. You waited where it's going to get broke, either up or either down. If it doesn't get broke, there is no entry. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So that's it for that video, and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.